Question number 7 says that the ray MK bisects angle LMN. If angle KMN is equal to 2x and angle LMN is equal to 48 degrees, find x. The important information here is that the ray is an angle bisector, right? It bisects the angle. That the measure of angle KMN is 2x, and then the measure of angle LMN is equal to 48 degrees. So there's multiple things happening here. The very first thing that I need to do is realize that since MK is a bisector, and it bisects angle LMN, so LMN is this large angle here. This ray breaks it in half. So what that means is that this angle here, angle KMN, this angle is going to be equal in measure to this angle, because this ray cuts it directly in half. So these two halves are equal to each other. I see that the measure of KMN is 2x. So KMN is 2x, which means that LMK also has to be 2x. Once again, this line cut it in half, so these two angles are equal in measure. Now what I realize is that I have the whole angle, LMN, and two smaller parts. So to me, that is a dead giveaway that I need to use the angle addition postulate. And the idea is that the whole piece is equal to the sum, so the adding of the two parts. When I look at this picture, the whole thing is angle LMN. So I know that the measure of angle LMN is going to be equal to the two smaller parts. One of those is angle LMK, so the measure of angle LMK, and also angle KMN, so the measure of angle KMN. I'm now going to take the information that was given to me in the problem. So I need to find the value of x, right? So the measure of angle LMN, I was told, is 48 degrees. So I could rewrite this now as 48 degrees is equal to the measure of LMK, I see in the picture, is going to be 2x plus the measure of angle KMN, which I can also see from what I filled in my diagram to be 2x. Remember, those are equal to each other because MK was a bisector. It created two equal halves. So now I'm just going to simplify this equation to be 48 is equal to 4x. I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and I get that 12 is equal to x. I go back to the problem to see what did I need to find. I need to find x, which I have done, so I box my answer, and I am now done with this problem.